Hello guys, welcome to EFTS channel. Today I am going to give you 6 of the Udemy's paid courses for free. Before that, if you didn't subscribe our channel, please go and subscribe and hit the bell icon. So guys, welcome back again. Today I am going to give you 6 of the Udemy's paid courses for free. Udemy is an online learning platform. If you didn't have a Udemy account, go to google.com and type in www.udemy.com, or I will give you the link in the description. Okay, and you should create a new account. Okay, we can learn anything from Udemy, but almost all the courses in Udemy are paid. Here you can see this course, Adobe Premiere Pro Video Editing for Beginners. It's rupees 490. Okay, now let's look in what is our first course. Yeah, it's Adobe Premiere Pro Video Editing for Beginners. Here you can see it is absolutely free. Okay, but only one day is left at this price. Okay, here you can here it includes, in this course it includes 5.5 hours on demand video, 13 articles, full lifetime access. If you enroll in this course, then it will all be yours. You will get full lifetime access. You can access on mobile and TV. Udemy application is there in Play Store. You can install that in your mobile. Okay, and after the completion of this course, you will get a certificate from Udemy. Okay, moving on to the next course, it is learning designing business cards in Photoshop with 10 projects. Okay, here you can see the price, but today it is 100% off. Okay, it includes 2 hours on demand video, 4 articles, 2 downloadable resources, full lifetime access, and certificate of completion. Okay, here you can do 10 projects with Photoshop. Here we are in a period of lockdown, so we can increase our skills through projects. Okay, it is a very good course. I will recommend it to you. Now, Python for data science and data analysis Masterclass 2020. You can see it is a 6 hours on demand video course. Contains 2 articles, full lifetime access, and certificate of completion. Yeah, you would learn NumPy, Pandas, data frames, Matplotlib for data visualization, etc. from this course. You should not waste time. The time left is only one day. Okay, you should hurry. Okay, going on to the fourth course, it is Microsoft Excel, PowerPoint, Word, and Windows 10. It is a 4-in-1 course. Can you believe that? 4-in-1. Okay, this course includes 7 hours on demand video, 8 articles, 8 downloadable resources, full lifetime access, and certificate of completion. Okay, you can enroll here. Okay, I will give you all the links of this course in the description. Okay, now moving on to the next course, it is Basics of Communication for CA, CMA, CS or Finance exams. Okay, here you can see 1 hours on demand video and also certificate of completion. Here what you will learn: process of communication, networks in communication, barriers in communication, types of communication, techniques of skilled communication. Now moving on to the last and the final course, CSS3 and Bootstrap for absolute beginners. 4 courses in one. Here you can study CSS3 and Bootstrap from this course if you are absolute beginner. It includes 3 hours on demand video, and also you will get a certificate of completion if you complete the course. I will give all the links for this course in the description below. Okay, and don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon. Okay, thank you. See you in the next video.